how to post 60-second video on Instagram story. So the first things first is you have to go to your app store or your play store depending on which device you have. So you have to go to your Instagram here, and then you have to click on update. Now why is it important is because Instagram has actually created a new feature where you could post a 60-second video on your Instagram story. So if you are done updating it, then automatically you will have your 60-second there. So let's check it here. Let's say this video. Now, if I click on the end of this video, as you can see, it's now on exact 1 minute. That actually explains why I could post it. If you're updating it and it's still not working, go to your profile here on the upper right. You'll see the burger icon there. Just tap on that and go to settings. Now under settings, go to help, and then you have to report a problem. Include and continue, and then you have to explain your problem. Let's say you do not have the 60-second video on your Instagram story, and then within 48 hours, the Instagram community will actually help you or will attend your problem and will basically fix your problem. And that is how you post 60-second video on Instagram story. Now, that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.